I am Clovis. My self-worth is not tied to my body image or a pointless number on a scale, because I know better. My self-worth comes from within, from the fire deep inside me that helped me explore this world until I found the truth. My truth. I believe in my truth. I believe in myself. I believe in the power that I have to make good decisions automatic, to rebuild my life, to rebuild my health, to rebuild my future. I do not rely on willpower or motivation because I know better. My discipline brings me freedom. My discipline is my superpower. I hear the advice from the mainstream, the headlines about calorie counting, the hottest workout trends, or the latest juice cleanse, and I smile because I know better. I am no longer the victim of marketing gimmicks or big food propaganda. I choose truth over their claims. I know that other people will doubt me, argue with me, laugh at me, and tell me that I'm wrong. I will hear them, and I will smile, because I know better. I no longer have anything to prove to the people whose opinions I never asked for in the first place. I do not compare myself to others. I am an individual, and my journey is my own. I do not measure my progress against anyone else's. My health is a gift, and I will not take it for granted. I am the best version of myself at any moment, each and every day. Wherever I am right now is exactly where I'm supposed to be. I am living my truth, and I am living it for me. I am Clovis. I am free.